Yo.
Let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Finely mince the garlic. Don't forget to chop each of the chili. Once done, first fry the chili in olive oil for about a minute. Then add your minced garlic to the pan and let it fry. Don't forget to add salt or any other seasoning. Once the garlic is about to turn golden brown, turn off the heat and cover the pan. Leave it to cook in itself for about a minute or until golden brown. It should look like this afterwards. Transfer to a container and you're ready to eat it with any meal.